back with me in 10 seconds.
Okay, and he tried to, what do we got for...
He made a fraudulent return. He came in, picked up a pair of boots, and then returned them. They gave him his money back and everything for it, but he hadn't actually had the boots. I've got video of him coming in without them there. He goes over, selects them, and comes to the service.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Walmart is asking that you be trespassed.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I just bought a pair of boots and everything.
Well, actually, they said you did a fraudulent return on a pair of boots, so that's why you're being trespassed. So I need to see your ID, please. If you want to follow me out here.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
I don't think they're going to let you make any purchases today, but...
That's alright. It's like all fish up here.
Now, if you think that they're making this an error, you're free to call into their court. Tracy.
I got the receipt that says 8507.
I'm pretty sure we're going to trespass him too, so
I already did that.
well,
That's what...
we also do it.
Okay.
So I'd like him not to leave it.
That's the rock stars, bud.
You did the exchange on your old boots.
That's right, but I just didn't exchange for a pair of sevens. That's this pair right here. Alright, I don't know everything.
Thank you. Sorry, putting on shoes. The shoe department shoved his shoes underneath the thing and started walking away. And I said, we're just trying those on, right? He goes, yeah, he jumped up.